Currency on Revolt Junior. In this video, we are going to learn how to change currency on Revolt Junior. So let's get started. It's a pretty simple process. First, open the Revolt app and ensure that you have the latest version of the Revolt app installed on your smartphone. Then log in to the app. After that, access the Junior section. Navigate to the section within the Revolt app. This might be a separate section or a subsection within the main app. Then check currency settings for this. Log for settings or option related to the currency within the Junior section. This might be available in the account settings or profile setting. After that, change currency if available. If there is an option to change the currency, select the desired currency from the available options. Keep in mind that the available currencies might be limited and the ability to change the currency may depend on certain factors. Then confirm your changes. If the app allows you to change the currency, follow the prompts to confirm the changes. Be aware that currency changes may have implications for existing balances and transactions. Contact support if needed. If you do not find an option to change the currency within the app, or if you have encountered any issues, consider reaching out to Revolt customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and address specific account related questions. That's all. That's how you can easily change currency on Revolt Junior.